So here's how to get Instagram token for WordPress. But forget everything you think you know about complicated setups, because this is actually way simpler than anyone makes it sound. Now, find that hamburger menu in the bottom left that says More, then hit Settings. You're looking for something called Account Type and Tools under the For Professional section. Click Switch to Professional Account. You get two choices here, Creator or Business. If you're doing this for yourself as a content creator or influencer, go with Creator. If it's for a company or brand, pick Business instead. Hit Next and pick a category that fits what you do. Click Done and Instagram will confirm everything's set up as a creator or business account. That's the part that actually lets you connect feeds later. Jump over to your WordPress dashboard and hover over plugins in the sidebar. Then click Add Plugin. Search for Smashballoon in that search box up top. Look for Smashballoon social photo feed in the results. This plugin has over 1 million active installs, so it's pretty solid for handling Instagram connections. Hit Install and then activate it. Once it's running, a setup wizard pops up automatically, which actually makes this whole process way simpler than it used to be. Click Launch the setup wizard to start connecting things. Click Add New to add your Instagram account. This sends you over to a connection page on Smashballoon's website where the real connection happens. Pick Business Basic because it connects straight through Instagram without needing any Facebook page setup. Click Connect at the bottom. Instagram's authorization page loads up. If it asks you to log in again first, just make sure you're still signed into Instagram in your browser. Click Connect with Instagram on that authorization page. Instagram shows a pop-up asking if you want to give Smashballoon access to your account. Click Allow to let it through. There's a security check asking if this is your domain. Click Yes, it is my domain to confirm everything's legit. You get redirected back to WordPress and it shows your Instagram account is connected. Hit Next to keep going through the setup. The plugin walks you through some other settings for features and how your feed looks. The defaults work fine for most people, but you can change whatever you want. At the end, click Complete Setup without upgrading to stick with the free version. Once that's done, you'll notice Instagram feed is now available in your sidebar. Now, click on it to get to the feed builder where you control how everything displays. Hit Add New to make your first feed. Choose User Timeline, which grabs posts from your Instagram profile and puts them on your website. Click Next, and your connected Instagram account appears in the sources list. This confirms the token connection is actually working. Hit Next again to get to customization options. You can mess with layout, colors, and styling here, though the defaults usually look fine. There's an Embed button in the top right that gives you your feed code. Click it and you get a pop-up with your shortcode that says like Instagram feed 1 in brackets. Click Copy to grab that shortcode. You can drop this code into any page, post, or widget area on your WordPress site. Widget areas like your footer or sidebar work really well for Instagram feeds. Go to Appearance, then Widgets to get there. Click Footer 1 to open that widget area. Hit the plus icon to add a widget, then pick Custom HTML from the options. Paste your shortcode into the HTML content box. Click Update to save it and make it live. Check your website's front end and you'll see your Instagram feed showing up with your actual posts. The colors might not match your site perfectly right away, but you can always go back and tweak the styling later. Your feed updates by itself whenever you post something new on Instagram.